Hey, it's James from HEB. We're going to show you how to install your 20x4 Allscape tire on a more narrow rim, like you would find on a Rad. So what you'll need, your tire levers, tubes, and a pump. So the first thing, you like to start with the tire. It's all flattened out. Go through and expand it a little bit. The tires are directional. You can see here it says rotation in that direction, or a good sheet. The yellow is on the right side. So I like to start with one half of the rim going on. Set it on there and go around and push it in. Next you'll need your tube. I like to put a little air in it. Just give it some shape. Makes it easier to work with. Pull it back up some, give yourself some space. And put your valve cap on it to keep that from pulling through. Once your tube is in nicely, you know you're not going to pinch it. I like to start from the back and work my way around to the front. As you get to this point, it's going to get a little bit tight. It's a good time for your tire levers. Most of the time, you just need one. Once you get it on, spend a second, go around, make sure it's even, and inflate. And I'll put just a little air in there to give it shape, and then check the other side. So get that back in there. Looks good. Now we can finish inflating. And then what to inflate to is written here on the side, just around from the logo, from 5 to 30 PSI. And you can inflate it to your desired PSI and then reinstall your valve cap. Check your reveal, make sure it's even all the way around, and you're ready to ride.